Good morning, Naija show now we day, and of course, we don't work inside our first segment. We go sit down talk. You know, as we do now, on to thank God it's Friday vibe. So we'll get a guest inside the house. We go follow us put map for talk. Him now artist, we be say in no waiting day. And if you even look in composition, in application and composition, see app.
We are both,
in
yes.
app presentation
in app
and application.
presentation,
You gonna say nah artist we kajad.
He has a good aptitude.
Egbenyon, aka LitoVibes. I get it right now, Egbenyon.
Yeah, Egbenyon.
Sabi something. AKA LitoVibes. I beg, I won't understand. What team bring the name about LitoVibes?
Okay, the name LitoVibes started with Samuel Lito.
Samuel Lito.
Samuel Lito.
Okay, now the nickname they give you that.
Yeah, my
Samuel
nickname.
Lito.
Yeah, Samuel Lito.
Okay, I don't see your degree. No be small thing. You get plenty this and that inside this place. Study for University of Calabar. You do writing and recording covers and verses. So you write your song by yourself.
Yeah.
And all that. Man, though, not be all artists they write by themselves. So. Well, I did what my name is Precious, and I did what they hear. I know say they will get plenty questions.
Yes,
to
sir.
ask
Yes,
you
sir.
concerning
So,
your
LitoVibes, now we know say to enter the industry in a very, very big step.
Yeah.
Because if you enter a place where people don't plenty, people feel no notice say you enter, that kind of thing.
Definitely,
So, as it be for you now, as you don't decide to push this your music movement, how you go make sure say people go fit turn to your direction. So, yeah, I'll make we even hear waiting LitoVibes get. Waiting make you stand out.
Being different. I think my type of music.
Okay,
like
so,
my genre.
so which type of music?
I normally create sounds that connect with everybody. You understand? I don't normally do everyday cruise, everyday play. I just want to tap to humanity.
So what's be the kind of sound if you connect to everybody now where you do?
Afrobeat.
Because you get different genre. Of
Okay,
music.
Afrobeat currently is actually taking everywhere.
Okay.
Currently, yeah. So it depends on how you want to deliver yours.
Okay.
Yeah, so everybody have their own way they actually create their sound.
So you could call yourself an Afrobeat artist?
Yeah, definitely an
Okay.
Afrobeat artist.
With a touch of waiting, reggae or a touch of pop?
No,
or
with a touch of pop, exactly.
touch of
pop.
Yeah.
Afro pop. I be that Afro pop flex, Afro mixing. They turn them together. You know, say because for Nigeria, a lot of artists they create their own genre. They mix.
You just have to improvise and create yours. Yeah.
Sure, you want to explain now because of the demand of the society, and they make you they create sound like that. On a waiting you want create with this.
I think it's based on the demand.
Based on demand.
Yeah, yeah.
So if to say you want to do song, which kind of song you for like do?
Aside
the demand, say Afro pop, Afro beats.
Okay, I love trap. I love trap music.
Trap.
Yeah, I love trap music.
Okay, but because it's Nigeria, trap, you know, really be a thing.
First of all, when you're trying to pierce into the industry, you need to actually access all your odds.
Okay.
Like, you're not just going in there to sing, right?
You be like
It's
say
a
you don't do
business.
Nigeria belt well.
Access to your odds.
Yeah, definitely. You're placing your bets. Like you're actually using the industry. You need to invest your money. Definitely. Yeah. So when you go in there, you need to create sound that's marketable. Yeah, and Afrobeat currently is very marketable. So
Even international.
international, yeah.
Before now, we don't reach international,
Yeah,
but
but
now
now
good
it
thing
don't
we
go
say it don't
outside.
be very acceptable international.
Okay,
So,
make we see waiting some of a bit of your work where people go know waiting LitoVibes be about. But we'll check them out and we'll come back still young with them. I get waiting. I want to talk about this thing.
LitoVibes.
Yesterday, I've been listening to this your song on top radio where I did drive, and person dey inside my car, and that line where you talk say this love go tire the person say
love
na
is
lie.
sweet, so I said na
You
lie.
don't go tire
You
me.
don't just answer am.
I reject it. I say calm down. Na music, and now we don't get you for here today.
yeah, definitely.
I believe say that they watch us.
Yeah,
the person they
definitely.
watch. LitoVibes. What did make you talk that thing? It be like say you don't chop breakfast.
Don't
That
worry, it pain.
line be like
So
say
that's they serve you rich
they don't
breakfast
serve you
on a
buffet.
platter, a breakfast platter.
Yeah.
wow. What did make you? Yeah, tell us.
Well,
this,
I just
this
think this current generation, the love story is tragic. Yeah.
What do you think they cause that kind of situation? Because we they grow, we they explore, we they civilize.
I can't pinpoint any stuff exactly, but everybody we want more. So when you think your partner is not giving you more, and might be all this romantic stuff, or it might be just normal friendship, some people will actually cross the boundaries stuff. When you love too much, it feels like you're weak, and they prey on it. So that's it.
No, now. Anyway, the people where they somebody daughter, someone now that is praying, please love me too much. And I will cherish you for the rest of my life. Not be
so.
cherish.
Yeah.
Not cherish you for the rest of my life.
LitoVibes, are you in love, sir? by any chance?
No.
You're in love
Not
with your
yet.
music?
I hope.
You're in love with your music?
Yeah, I'm in love. Yeah,
Yeah, but
definitely.
you're not
So you
you're
decide
not-
to stay out of love, make it for not tire you. Now, is it make you sing that
It
song?
tire me, so I could come out.
So naturally, since when you don't begin to music, like full scale?
Full scale, like when you mean full scale, you mean when I took it like
Professional.
2020 during pandemic. Yeah.
Okay, so now pandemic now ain't ginger your love for music, or you don't get the idea since, and
You
you
don't
I
sing
have
for
been
bathroom
singing.
small before?
Yeah, batching down is normal.
No,
All
okay.
artists go through that process.
Yeah.
Now I've been singing for a very long time, but like let's say 2015, 2016.
okay.
Yeah, but after school, 2 years working with my uncle, I was like, I think I need more.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. So I know I can sing, so I just took a rap.
You can't break up with your uncle.
No,
As you
no,
talk
no,
am. You
no.
say you think you need more. You broke
No,
up
no,
with your
no, no.
uncle and went straight
No,
to
no,
music.
you
In a
can't-
motivational speaker.
You can't- you can't-
Your uncle to
you
become a
sack your
boss.
uncle.
You can't break out. You can't break out. Who's going to sponsor the music? You can't break out, definitely. Yeah, so that's it.
Okay, so now looking at the kind of music where they put out now, and this song, I believe say it go don't raise a lot of eyebrows.
Yeah,
People go
definitely.
don't send you messages, say why you were. So how has the reception been so far as you drop this one?
It has been encouraging. Like, lots of well wishes. Yeah, keep going, you can make it, and it's good. The response is good.
And as we see for the video, we should say that video in better money you put inside.
Patrick Ellis.
They tell you see the kind of person we shoot am. So we know say funding gas day. How they be for you pushing music financially?
Because I want to ask whether you get another side hustle.
Whether you get another work.
I just mentioned I work with my
Okay, you
uncle.
still work with your uncle?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, you know,
don't
you
sack
know,
am
you know, sack your
finally.
uncle.
No. I'm a marketer. I market wooden foreign floor.
Okay,
Wooden floor.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So
That's
you see,
good.
they don't. Well, now this is your soft voice. They use market. I'm a market. I work market for it.
Everything a
It's
package.
a buy your foreign
It's a well
floor.
combined package. You need to. You need to
Because
present
the
yourself.
voice
Yeah?
said they like say they sing. If
That's
you
all
just talk
now.
like this, now me if I go buy foreign floor. Hey, how much in the
You go buy foreign
Can I
floor?
start buying?
Where you want put down?
Yeah. So my uncle is the one sponsoring, and
Okay.
yeah, and
And be like saying believe
There's a
in your
label
dream
too, also.
Him believe in your dream too. I mean.
it's more like it takes time to actually convince someone.
True.
Yeah. So I've been singing for a while. I've also been working with him. So I think it's time to actually.
Okay, so is it
Okay,
the one? Now you get the Optimus,
Optimus, exactly,
Entertainment
I've been
where you
asked.
they signed to. Oh, great. And it
Okay,
makes
so now me say your uncle said believe in the entertainment vision.
yeah.
Currently, entertainment is everything. Unless you're not looking at it properly, you must not be an artist, like a musician.
Yeah, you get different ways.
Comedians, influencers, it's everywhere. So if we want to take the business upwards, you need something from entertainment, like a visibility. You understand me? So that's it. So it's a win-win.
Makes sense.